My dream job for the longest time was working at Boeing.
Professionally, over the years, I've worked in numerous industries.
It was that one by chance email that I got, and the very next day I was signing up for the program.
One of the most attractive aspects of the AMMET program here at Edmonds, for me personally, is how intimate and maneuverable the faculty and the courses are.
I had looked at other colleges, but they didn't give me the wide array of hands-on experience that I was looking for, or the ability to go and intern in industry with Boeing.
The class program structure here at AMMET works really well with my personal and work lives.
And I can balance both school and work, and I don't necessarily have to prioritize one or the other.
Once I graduate from the AMMET program with my BAS, my plan is to find a job where I can go and utilize my skills to the fullest and just have a great time with that.